In the last video, I talked about how to add fractions with unlike denominators. The bottom numbers are different. And the way that I explained this was you have to make the bottom numbers the same. The question we figured out was, where do 2 and 3 meet? They both meet at 6. To turn a 2 into 6, we multiply by 3. If that's what you do on the bottom, that's the same thing you do on the top. 1 times 3 is 3. Come on, paper, don't wrinkle on me, making me look foolish. I turned the pizza into 6 slices, and you can see that 3 of them are colored, 3 out of 6. Same thing here. To turn a 3 into a 6, times 2. If you times 2 on the bottom, you've got to times 2 on the top. What that does is it cuts all the slices into 2 parts, and you can see that 4 of those slices are colored because 2 times 2 equals 4. Now we run into a new problem. 3/6 plus 4/6 equals 7 slices of pizza, and you need 6 slices to make the whole thing. The bottom number is just the slice of pizza. Now we run into an issue because if I am coloring that pizza in, I need to color 7 slices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Uh-oh. I still owe myself 1 more slice of pizza. So what I have to do is I have to make a new grouping. And I'll show you how to do this with math in just a moment. But that gives me the ability to have my 7th slice. Well, if this is what it looks like, then this fraction is actually the exact same thing as 1 whole pizza and 1 more slice out of 6. 1 and 1/6. Okay, I understand that with pictures. What does that look like with math? Here's what's going on. The question becomes, how many pizzas can we make out of this number? Or how many times does 6 fit into 7? Well, if you know basic math and you can read this number right here, 6 fits in 1 time. That means that we are taking out the 6 slices of pizza it takes to make 1 whole pizza, and we have 1 slice left over. Earlier, you would call it remainder 1. In terms of pizza, that's 1 whole pizza and 1 slice. But now that we know how to do fractions, and we know that fractions are the exact same thing as division, we understand this is 1 whole pizza and 1 out of 6 slices needed, or 1 whole pizza, that's this number here, and 1 slice left over. That's this number here. 1 slice out of 6. This is very easy to remember because whatever the divisor is, whatever you are dividing by, that's the bottom of the fraction. Whatever the remainder is, that's the top of the fraction. And you can do this with any number you like. If I am dividing and I'm adding those fractions and I end up with something like, let's go 12/5. That's a lot of pizza slices. This question actually means, how many times does 5 fit into 12? And knowing my basic division facts, 5 fits in 2 times. That means that we used 10 slices of pizza and we've got 2 left. So the answer is 2 and 2/5. Anytime you have an improper fraction, a fraction where the top number is bigger than the bottom, you can use basic division to turn it into a mixed number, the pizzas and the slices. I hope that makes sense. I hope that makes things easy for you. Good luck on your math.